Today we are looking at a Wintersteiger portable thresher. This unit has a large rotary threshing cylinder with aggressive teeth on them. You can see them there. This unit has a variable height concave with square bars in it. You can lock the concave down here. This unit has several air adjustments on the unit. Unit is also variable speed. Just by turning this crank with the machine running, you can increase or decrease the cylinder speed here. This unit starts right up, starts strong, runs strong, has suction fan here, air bypass right here. As I said, the unit's variable speed. Just simply turn that crank and it speeds up. Has an indicator there. It's a very nice unit for laboratory plot work or small increases. This is a Wintersteiger Hege 16, sold by us here at Commodity Traders. You can pause the video here for pertinent data on the data tag. The unit is 115 volt. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.